Alright, welcome back, guys, to Colossal Breaks. Today we're doing a box break review here of 2024 Topps Chrome Disney. Still, these are out. Looking for four number parallels per box. Get that. And then we're looking here. We got the find the celebrating of the 30th anniversary of Lion King 30 card. See what we got. And then, can you find a special Incredibles 20th anniversary Chrome card? There's 12 packs per box, 6 cards per pack. And then there also, we got to look for the Donald Duck 90th anniversary Chrome cards. And then we got to look for Chrome cards from the brand new Inside Out 2 movie as well. So there's a lot in this stuff we're looking for. You know, Superfractors, 1 of 1. I believe they're still out there. You know, anything. I think there's autograph cards, Mickey and Minnie and all that. I think still available. So yeah, let's see what we get here. Let's rip this box. Colossal Briggs. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel here, folks. Keeps us going there. All right, look at that. Minnie, Donald. Nice. Put that out to the side. There's one of the packs. Really good looking cards here, folks. Very good looking cards. All right, first card's a Pluto. Pluto base. Got an Ariel base. Got a Rafiki from the Lion King 30, which we were just talking about, and it's a refractor, I believe. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. The refractor. That's a nice looking card there. Rafiki from the Lion King. You got a 22. I think that's from the Inside Out. Is that what it is? Well, not sure. Happy from Disney's Snow White. He's the happy one. Happy dwarf there. Oh, so that's happy. And we've got Gil from, I think, Finding Nemo. Yeah, Gil. All right, that was the first pack. Got the Genie from Aladdin. That's just the base. We got something here over the back here. Hector. Tuk, and Lemire from Beauty and the Beast. And Jackson Storm, 61 out of 150. Blue. And then we have a refractor of Nemo. Nemo refractor. There we go. The orange glows and the orange Nemo. We got Ham. Dash Par. Here. Arthur Pendragon. This is from, what is that? The Sword and the Stone? I don't know if I might have seen that's a refractor there, Arthur Pendragon. Miguel. Merrin Mendelsohn. I don't know who this is. Mr. Petron. People always stuff from the Inside Out movie. And Namari. Oaken. Flynn Rider, Alfred Linguini, Buzz Lightyear, Cogsworth from Beauty and the Beast, that clock there. And we've got a Inside Out Disgust. Really cool looking cards. Something there. Save those for last. We've got a Julieta Mondell. Got a Hercules. Got a okay. Princess Aurora. Giuseppe. That's yeah, the guy with Pinocchio. There's a sick, twisted story behind him and why he created that Pinocchio and his nose grows, but that's for another time. And we've got a Future Stars Antonio Madrigal. Future Stars, not numbered. Lieutenant Matthias. Got a Jude Hops. Judy. Spot. Slinky Dog. Void. Inside Out Sadness. Inside Out Sadness. Chloe Visconti. I don't know who that is. Sleepy. There we go. Sleepy. King Candy. Captain Hook. Ursula. And a Pocahontas Refractor. Nice. Pocahontas Refractor. Nothing crazy. Great box. Doug. Randall Boggs. Stitch. Miss Bianca. Basil. And a Donald Duck refractor. Not touch from Donald Duck 90. Down to 4 packages. 3 after this. Carl Ferguson. Merdia. Rita. Tramp. John Smith. Dolores Madrill, 76 out of 199. Anxiety Refractor. Three packs up there. Robin Hood Refractor. Nice one. Rapunzel. Base. Chick Hicks. Oh, beep. We got something nice here. Look at that. What is that? Mr. Incredible, and behind it is... Whoa! Nice. We got a Mickey Mouse 42 out of 101 with the Dalmatian background. That is nice. Look at that. That could be a hit. Mickey Mouse made his debut in 1928. Steamboat Willie. Wow. I wonder how much this one goes for. So 42 out of 101. Mickey Mouse. A couple bucks, maybe? Maybe 50 bucks? Maybe 100 bucks? Graded? Wow, looks nice. That is a nice one. Mickey Mouse. The Dalmatian background refractors. Look at that shiny. Wow, I'll take it. 42 out of 101, folks. Mickey Mouse. Wow, nice. Look at that. 42 out of 101. Mickey Mouse. That is a nice hit, I think. You know, what are you going to get? You know, it's not bad there. What else is there to get here, you know? Maybe like 50 bucks, maybe? I don't know, 100 if it's a 10. I have no idea. See? That's a nice hit. Something there. Got 2 more packs left. This is a Molly. Sheriff Nottingham. Yes. Winnie the Pooh. Queen of Hearts. And Lion King. King Simba refractor there. Simba. Last pack, folks. That's it. That's gonna be it. We got a black. This is, I think, at a 20 or at a 10, I think, or 25. I think we have a black, folks. Yep, we got a black. So let's go like that. We got a Alberto Garfano. Neely. Got a Eve. Alright, well, let's go with refractor here first. It's a Bell Weather refractor. Alright. There's a Cooper. It's Cooper. We're interested in what is this, though. So it's upside down. So we'll go this way. Wow. It's a 2 out of 10. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Moana. Okay. Alright. Ocean India champion. It was no surprise. Chose Moana. The plucky, courageous 16-year-old was sent the voyage from Montana, returned the heart of Fidi. Whether she would succeed was never in question. Alright. That's out of 10. That's not bad. 2 out of 10. Not a bad box. Wow, okay. So we got the Moana out of 10. And then we got the Mickey Mouse out of 101. Dalmatian. 2 nice cards there. Alright, that's a nice box there. You know, you can't complain. You know. You don't get your bang for your buck there, but you got 2 nice hits. 1 out of 10, and then 1 out of 101 Mickey Mouse Dalmatian refractor. So, you know, it's something. You know, maybe a couple $100 or 50 bucks there. I'll send that in to get graded. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel at Colossal Breaks. We'll see you next time. Thumbs up and take care. Bye.